In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Microsoft Outlook data by setting a password for your .pst file, which contains all your important emails, calendar events, and other data. Let's make sure that your personal and professional information stays safe and private. Have you ever worried about someone else accessing your data when you're away from your computer? Well, setting a password is a great way to alleviate that concern. Follow along with me and we'll get your Outlook data file secured in no time. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to your computer's control panel. You can usually find this by opening your computer's start menu and typing Control Panel into the search bar. Once there, make sure to change the view to Large Icons. This will make it much easier for you to locate all the options available to you. Once you've done that, look for an entry called Mail, Microsoft Outlook. This is typically where you'll configure email accounts and data files associated with Outlook on your computer. Next, click on Mail, Microsoft Outlook to open the Mail Setup window. From this window, you'll want to click the button labeled Data Files. Here, all the data files associated with your Outlook are listed out. Look through the list carefully and identify the file with the .pst extension. This is the file that contains all your email and personal data within Outlook. It's important to select the correct file, as this is key to ensuring your information remains secure. Once you've found your .pst file, click on Settings. From here, a new window should pop up showing details about the chosen data file. Look for and click on the button that says Change Password. Now don't worry if you've never set a password before, you simply have to leave the old password field blank. Then go ahead and type in your new password and confirm it by typing it again in the provided verification box. A strong password should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to provide maximum security. After you've done that, you'll need to set this data file as the default. This is done by selecting your .pst file within the data files list and clicking on Set as Default. This way, every time you open Outlook, it will prompt you to enter your password, ensuring that your data remains protected from unauthorized access. And just like that, you're all set. In just a few minutes, you've taken an important step towards enhancing your email privacy and security. Now, whenever you or anyone else tries to access your Outlook data, it will ask for the password you've just set. It's a simple but effective way to protect your valuable information. Thanks for following along, and make sure to keep your password safe and private.